In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can awaken Buddha here in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, you are going to have to be in the second seat in order to do this, so you're going to have to at least be level 700. But to fully awaken Buddha, you need about 14,500 fragments, but most players only awaken the first move since it gives the main transformation. Now, you're going to have to start the Buddha raid specifically to do this and go to the hot and cold island, enter the lab on the cold side, and then of course open the secret door using the code, which is red, blue, green, blue. Inside, you're going to talk to the mysterious scientist in there. If you're level 1100, you can also buy a raid chip for about 100,000 belly. If not, have a higher level player host it, and then just complete the raid by defeating all of the enemies across all the islands. After beating the boss, you'll be teleported to a room where you can talk to the entity and spend fragments to awaken your move, but that is it. That is how you can awaken Buddha. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.